There was one man who came to Ramanujacharya and he said, I want sannyas. So Ramanujacharya said, well, what's your qualification? So he said, look, I've been married for 40 years now. This morning my wife died. And look at me, not even one tear. Look at me, not even one tear. I'm completely detached. So Ramanujacharya said, okay, sit down. Then another man came. He was crying and falling, and 4 people were holding him. My son died, and he was crying. And he said, now please give me sannyas. I'm finished with this world. And Ramanujacharya said, yes, I'll give you sannyas. Now this man got upset. What is this? 40 years I lived with my wife, not even one tear. Look at this, not even one tear. And you are not giving me sannyas. Look at my detachment and look at this guy. He's so, attached to his son and you want to give him sannyas. And Ramanujacharya said, so if you want sannyas, do one thing. Better you get married, learn to love her and then come back and then I'll give you sannyas. Why? He said, because I can't teach you how to love. You have no love. You're so dry. How will you love Krishna? I can't teach you how to love. I can only dovetail your love from your family to Krishna. But you don't even know how to love. This guy, he loves his son. Now it's very easy for me. Now I just have to change his attachment from son to Krishna. So devotees means we are all the more loving. Virakti doesn't mean, now I became devotee, so I'll have a constipated face all the time and, I'm detached. Devotee means he's so loving. Anybody they come, they fall in love with that devotee. He's so loving. Only thing that now their love is not limited to one person. It's just for everybody. He loves everybody as a family. Why Krishna spoke Gita to Arjuna? Because he had such a loving heart. He had a compassionate heart. He said, I don't want to kill. I love them all. That is why Gita was spoken. See, what we are telling to be detached is from the expectation that may arise out of your attachment. That you don't expect things from them. But you love. Devotee loves everybody.